Here's a 1969 V8 302 power steering, automatic transmission. We will flip it down tomorrow on the belly. We're standing up right now in the last week, sandblasting the whole entire car, inside and out. Powder coat, rubberizer underneath the frame, 2 coat, and then prime the whole body inside and outside everywhere with gray primer. I use about 13 spray can, 20 ounce spray can. Rubberize, I use about 12 of them. Spray can rubberizer. After we put it down, we're gonna put the front suspension and the rear axle in, wiring harness. Had to send to the body shop to do the quarter panel on both sides. A lot of work. When I flip it down on the belly, on the wheel, I will do another video. Here's the engine, completely rebuilt. Send the block and the header to the machine shop. Everything inside new. It's for the GT69 V8 302. Ready to put it back in the machine. Here is the automatic transmission for the 59 GT. Completely rebuilt. Ready to put back into the car.